Hey everyone, welcome back for another daily injection of videos. Also, if you enjoyed these videos and would like to help me keep creating them, please take 1 second to destroy that like button and subscribe. Now, let's get into the video. Using plant cells, scientists were able to 3D print a steak. But if you ask me, it doesn't look that good. Engineers were able to develop a prototype that helps police officers catch criminals, a lot like how cowboys used to catch cattle. This is a slow-mo video of iron falling around a magnet. This woman's 72 years old and she's probably a lot stronger than you. These officers responded to a snowball fight, but they had no idea how outnumbered they were. That's it for the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.